Good morning and welcome back to the channel B2B Back to Basics. Like I told y'all guys, I'm getting ready to do some upgrading on the CTS-V Cadillac. So it is around 7:10 this morning. I have an appointment at 7:30 to get some new items put on my car. As you can see back here in these boxes. I just opened the boxes this morning, so I really don't know exactly what's in them. I am not a mechanic, so I'm going to let Napa do their job this morning. So I'm just going to go over a couple of these items that I have, and we'll be on the road. As you can see, I have the price here of what the small pulley costs. And the Corsa Cold Air Intake ran me around $380. So I'm getting a good deal on this on the install. But once I get there, I'll let y'all guys know how everything goes. Over here on my right is right here. This is my 300 Mercedes-Benz. And over here on this side is my Caddy. So I'm gonna load everything back up and I will be on my way. As of right now, let's